Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport Carbon in Volcano Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, carbon fiber V grille, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, carbon fiber exterior mirrors, carbon fiber rocker panel, LED tail lamps, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, alpha DNA drive modes, second row USB port, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5914.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.